Hey guys. Oh gosh. So I went to the pool. I went to the pool today with family and I got burned. I look like a crab. Oh gosh. So a couple things came in the mail today, obviously. You guys can tell that's why I'm on here. And but yeah, like I thought I'd just come on here, unbox a couple of things, and maybe try it on. I don't know. I have no idea. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. So this is the Walmart box. I actually just canceled it. And I'm gonna just quickly unbox it and show you all like what I got. Here it is. Alright. This is what it looks like. Here's the thing. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it would show, what products you would get in here. Looks like there's some good stuff. Don't tell me. Why do they give me the crappy things, you know? They gave me gum. Ooh, shampoo, conditioner, and hair frizz. So whenever I go on a trip, I can take that with me. I mean, I'll have to like carry a bunch of other stuff. Almay. It's a lip product. Oh my word. Why on earth? So this is $7.99. That's not that bad. Smells good. Oh my gosh. Isn't that crazy? It's a pretty color though. It's fun. I don't know. It has a little bit of a stain power, just so you all know. Alright, cool. Sunscreen. Could have used that. And extra gentle daily scrub. It's an exfoliating. Oh, I've been wanting to try this. I just never got the. I wouldn't say got the chance. It's more or less like never got up to the motivation of like wanting to try it. I was like, that'll be okay. Oh my word! Look at that color. I'm not a fan of Essie. I feel like they are really overrated in my personal opinion. And not only that, like the two colors that I got, they kind of like was patchy. So I don't know if like I just got a bad batch. Or something. I feel like it was really patchy though. And I just, with how much they actually cost, because I think they cost like $20. So, I mean, it's a pretty color. Maybe I'll just do that with my toes. Do the shape for my toes or something. I don't know. Alright, and that is it. The Walmart box is like $6, I think. I think so. $6. That's okay. That was my last box, subscription box. I'm not gonna be getting any more, which I'm okay with. But yeah, like it's just, I don't know. The only reason why I got it is because it was like so cheap and I wanted to try it out, and I did, and I'm not really impressed, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I will get this posted, and I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.